Good morning, friends. So many times patient ask, sir, which system is perfect or which system of medicine will follow? Because there is so many systems of medicine like allopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy, then physiotherapy. So I always tell them the no system is perfect and no system is complete. So for a disease, you cannot rely only on one system. As an allopathic practitioner, I can say so many benefits of allopathy and allopathic medicine and allopathic systems. Like, suppose you have a acute myocardial infarction, so you need immediate allopathic attention, you need immediate thrombolysis, you need immediate stent placement or cardiology intervention. For that perspective, allopathy is superior. If you have a bleeding duodenal ulcer or gastric ulcer or melena or hematemesis like blood vomiting, then for immediate management, allopathy is the best because through endoscopy you can ligate the bleeding point, we can hemostasis, we can do hemostasis to the bleeding point, and the bleeding can be stopped. Suppose you are suffering from COPD, bronchial asthma, severe acute asthma, then you immediately need an nebulization and inhalational steroid. So all these things, so many emergency things, the allopathy is definitely superior. So that if you are suffering from acute fever and not resolving by any modes of medicine, then you may develop septicemia. So that immediately you need treatment. Immediately you need a IV antibiotic so that you can your sign and symptoms will be reduced. So that so many acute conditions, allopathy is working like a god, and allopathy will give you immediate relief, and definitely allopathy is superior. But it is not a complete one. Why? Because any system created by human is not perfect. Only God is perfect. Except God, every system, everything what is created in this universe, as a person, as a system, that is imperfect. So allopathy is also not perfect. Especially for the chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, arthritis. So there is no solution in allopathy. There is no cure in allopathy. It is all just the symptomatic relief. So that is why this is the lacuna of the allopathy. Then you come for, if you go for the Ayurveda. So Ayurveda is definitely superior for all chronic modalities of disease like arthritis, diabetes, because the system of Ayurveda is detoxification of the body by different kriyas like panchakarma and that is Sedana, Virachana. There are so many karmas, and that five karmas that will detoxify our body. And when the toxin load will be reduced inside your body, then sign and symptoms of your body of a disease will be reduced. So that is why Ayurveda is very, very important. In case of naturopathy, naturopathy is also works on the body detoxification. Naturopathy works on the how naturally, organically, by only home remedies you can cure your diseases. So similarly, it has also limitation. It cannot address the acute things, acute complications. So all these things, any system of medicine, there is so many drawbacks. So for that, even in allopathy, for a chronic disease, if you take chronically an allopathy medicine, that is a chemical medicine, there is a side effect also. If you are taking antibiotics, then there is side effect of antibiotic. If you are taking painkillers, then there is a side effect of the painkillers. So you have to also develop disease because of these allopathic medicines. So that is why, for which type of disease you are suffering and which system actually you are need for the treatment, that is you have to decide. If you are suffering like diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, then allopathy is not the solution. Allopathy can suppress your symptoms. Allopathy can give you a temporary relief, but it is not the permanent solution. By taking medicine regularly, by taking diabetic medicine to reduce your blood glucose regularly, it is not the solution. And otherwise, also, you will develop complication due to the medicine. That is why it is very, very important you choose which system you want to follow for your chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, arthritis. And we are also working on integrative approach. Here the allopathy is there, Ayurveda is there, naturopathy is there, physiotherapy, acupuncture, acupressure is there. On integrative mode, we providing treatment to our patient so that with minimal medicine, patient can get maximum benefit. Also, education is superior than medication, so we are providing education to the patient. We are providing lifestyle training to the patient so that on an integrative approach, patient will get maximum benefit. Because only following one system or only following one doctor or believing only one system of medicine, you will not get the result. You have to work on integrative approach, and you have to approach the doctors who are working on the integrative approach. So that's all. I hope you all understand the concept of this topic. So integrative approach is superior than all system because no system is perfect. Every system has its own lacuna. Like numerology is perfect for many people, but is it working for all people? No. Like astrology working for some people. Astrology can help you, so you have some bad things or bad karmic thing. Astrology can help you or guide you, but is it working for all people? No, because any system is created by human is imperfect, it is not perfect. So everything is required, but everything is not always required. That is why allopathy or Ayurveda or naturopathy, that every system has their own drawback and own advantages. So to get maximal benefit, you have to go through integrative approach, and that integrative approach we are working. So come and join our program and take maximum benefit by joining our integrative holistic program. Thank you.